Hi, this is Todd with Maita Nissan of Sacramento. I'm one of the service advisors here in our service department. One of the questions we get asked a lot is regarding brake noises. Well, a lot of the noises you're going to hear when braking are actually normal. Things like squeaking, especially when backing up or when cold, and even some rubbing type noises can be normal. What you do want to look out for is a loud scraping or screeching noise when you're not applying the brakes that goes away when you do apply the brakes. That's your brake wear indicators telling you it's time to change the brakes.